Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the card to your Vinted account in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube review statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our articles and suggestions. From here we have to go into the profile menu. And here it opens up like this. We have to scroll down to the bottom, tap on settings, and then in settings we have to tap on payments. Here at the top we find payment options and add a card. And here if we tap on this, at the top we can enter the card holder's name, the card number, expiry date, security code, and then just proceed by tapping on save card. And that way we can add a payment method straight into the app, so it's going to be easier to purchase items from the app. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.